Today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. As you can see, to date we have tested a total of 487 different strategies. The best one so far was able to achieve a 100% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy Forex indicator to trade the crypto scalping strategy that I'll mention in this video on a live trading account. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a Forex day trading strategy. And so the source video says risk-free trading strategy that actually works. And so we'll put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy and see if it actually works. And so we'll just go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the dynamic levels breakouts. This one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen, and we'll jump into the settings. What you're going to want to do is change this period right here to 30, then click OK. And the next indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the complete trend trading system. It's going to be this one right here. Go ahead and click on that one and add it to the screen, and again we'll jump into the settings. What we're going to do is change this first selection here length to 21. The middle length here to 14, and the last length here we're going to change to 16, and everything else stays on the default settings. I did turn off the bar color, just makes it a little bit less crowded to the eye, I guess. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we're looking for when we get a buy tag like this here, green buy tag, from the dynamic levels breakouts indicator. And then we're going to look down to the complete trend trading system down here, and what we want is a green line like this here. So once all those line up, that'll be the signal to enter into a trade. We'll put our trade there. We'll put our stop just right below this pivot area here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, putting it right about there. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you can see really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what we're looking for is we're looking for a red sell tag like this here from the levels breakouts indicator. Then we're going to look down to the trend trading system, and we want it to have a red line like this here. And so that'll be our signal to then enter into a short. We'll put our trade right here. We're going to put our stop just right above this pivot area right here, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward just like before. Let's go ahead and play this one forward and see how it plays out. And you see a nice steady push to the downside, getting us to our take profit once again. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades, putting it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you were looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 for pretty much break even. That's not including any spreads or commissions, and so most likely you would have been down a decent little amount after it's all said and done. Definitely not a risk-free strategy that really works. Just seem to kind of tread water and lose a little bit in commissions. And so during the same period of time, though, we did 20 trades with the Academy of Forex Indicator, and the total gain with the position management strategy that we teach all the patrons would have put you right around $9,600. And so definitely better results. You can get a free trial access to the Academy of Forex Indicator when you sign up for a Patreon down below, and $15 a month maintains access to the indicator after the trial plus your Patreon status. We will also teach you a position management strategy that will skyrocket the win rate of the Academy of Forex Indicator to the high 90% and show you how to get access to a crypto broker that will give you over 100 times leverage on the account with no ID requirements, almost wherever you are in the world, all but guaranteeing that you will be successfully trading with our systems within an hour. We've also developed an additional crypto scalping strategy, and coupled with our position management strategy we teach all the patrons, was able to achieve over 200 winning trades in a row in back testing and dozens of winning trades in a row in live testing. To view that video, click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. Click on that eye, it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and click the thumbnail that you see on screen now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.